everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be making fluffy slime using snow spray. This is actually part 2 to another video that I've already filmed. You can go and check that out as well. So you'll see in the video that the quality is not that great, and yeah, there is a reason for that. Actually, I filmed this before starting my YouTube channel, and back then I wasn't even sure if I was going to start one. With that being said, let's get on straight with the video. So starting off, you'll need a bowl and a spoon. Then you'll be needing an airtight container to store your slime in. You'll need white glue. I'm using ADX white craft glue. You can use any other glue that you've tried before and you're sure that it does make slime. Then you'll need slime activator, food coloring is optional, and finally snow spray. So you have to start off by adding white glue into the bowl. And if you've seen my videos for a while, you'll know that I never measure the ingredients I add into the slime. In my opinion, it's not compulsory to measure every ingredient you're adding to make slime. You just kind of estimate the amount of slime you want and then add the ingredients accordingly. So for this amount of glue, I'm going to add this much of water. You can see right now, I think it was around a teaspoon, but again, I didn't measure it, so I'm not sure. And then I just mixed everything together. So the case while adding water is that you don't have to focus on the amount of glue, rather you have to focus on the texture of the glue. So you use any other glue, just make sure that the consistency of the glue is the same like mine at the end. Next, I went ahead and added paint. I'm adding pink paint into the glue just to color my slime. But this step is totally optional. You can skip this part if you don't want your slime to be colored and you want it to be white, because food coloring and paint only change the color of the slime, they do not change the texture at all. Next, you have to add the snow spray into the slime, but you have to make sure that you mix the bottle first before adding it into the slime. So after adding in the snow spray, I realized that I actually wanted my slime to be larger in amount, so then I added more glue, more paint, and then more snow spray. So after I was sure that everything was mixed together, I went ahead with some slime activator and activated the slime. So you have to add your slime activator in small batches because you don't want to overactivate the slime. Just add around 2 to 3 teaspoons at first, and then mix the glue and make sure that the glue has absorbed all of the activator you've added, and then add more. And when your slime starts to stick away from the bowl, just take some activator in your hands and then start kneading the slime. So while kneading your slime, you'll realize that your slime is not sticking to your hands at all, and that is when you know that your slime is ready. So yeah, that was it from today's video. I really hope you all enjoyed watching it, and if you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, and if you're new to my channel and want to see more slime tutorials, then also subscribe. See you all next week. Bye everyone.